Today I'm showing you in Canva how to add an image to a phone or computer and make it look super professional. And Canva has all these templates built in, which is so amazing. So I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. We're going to go to uploads and you're going to start with the template that you want. Here's a printable that I want to use. So we're going to click on the image. Then we're going to go to edit image and go down and then go to SMART MOCKUPS. And this has tons of phone ones, laptop, greeting card, frames, books, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, smartphones, all of these different ones. So what we can do is if we want to use this one, we can click on it. Then it's automatically going to have the printable right there. And in the mockup, let's do another one here. So we can do this February one. We're going to click on it, edit image, go to SMART MOCKUPS, and let's do a laptop one. And so now it's going to look like he's working on my printable right here, which is awesome. So we can have these mockups. Another thing that you can also do is I have courses. So say I wanted to do a mock-up with my course. So this is a screenshot of my course page. I'm going to edit this image. I'm going to go to SMART MOCKUPS. And let's do this one. So here it looks like he is working on my course. So this is a super great marketing tool that you can have where you have this, or you could even do thumbnails. So say I wanted to do one. Here's a thumbnail for a video that I just did. So we can add this thumbnail and we can make it look like he's watching this video. So we can go to SMART MOCKUPS, we can see all. And let's do this one. So here it looks like she is watching this video of my mockup, and then we can use this in advertising. We can use it on our sales copy, but this is so cool. I absolutely love it. We're going to do this printable, edit image. Now it looks like that's the cover of the book. Now obviously that's printable, not a cover of a book, but you could totally see how it would work with whatever you're doing. Or if you wanted to do a t-shirt image, you can do that as well, which is so awesome. Here's a sticker that I actually sell at my shop, but we could see what this would look like on a t-shirt. So we could click on it, edit image, SMART MOCKUPS, and then let's scroll down to the clothing here. So we could see what that would look like on a shirt and highlight a shirt there, which is so cool. So there's so many different ways that you can use these SMART MOCKUPS in your advertising. You could also make it look like this, and you can click the adjust, and we can do fill or we can do fit so that it's a little bit more, or we can do custom. So we can shrink down the size a little bit here. We can also change the position. So if we want it to the right or the left. So say we wanted it to look almost like one of those little pockets. So we can bring down the size. And then we can change the vertical position and move it up. So there it would be on the hoodie. Doesn't that look awesome? I think that this is such an amazing feature of Canva, and they really went above and beyond with this one. They really did. Another thing that you can do, and I actually use this all the time, is use screenshots, or if you want to do a blog image as well. So we're going to edit image, go to SMART MOCKUP. Let's look at the phones here, and let's do this one. So here it looks like she is scrolling and reading my blog post, which is so awesome. This is a great way that you can use it in a video or a blog post or marketing for this. And it looks so natural. It looks like you are literally standing behind them taking this picture. Next up is how to add a shadow to your image to make it look 3D, to make it pop, and to add some dimension in your images.